I am up 1000% on Jivo. To put that in another way, I have made 10 times of my investment on Jivo since November. To put that in yet another way, for every 1,000 I put on Jivo in November, I now have $11,000. But this video is not about Jivo, it's about another company that has the potential to do the exact same thing that Jivo has done. And the company is in the same, broadly speaking, the same space as Jivo, which is green energy. This is the third video that I will be making on this company. But why do I keep making videos and why do I keep talking about this company? That's because I have a very, very high conviction about this company and how it's going to perform. If you ask me to rate my conviction on this company and how well it's going to perform, it will be a 10 out of 10. This is the type of company that if you buy now, you will be proud of yourself in the months and years to come. Even your grandchildren will be proud of you. Ladies and gentlemen, that company is no other than Hyliion, ticker symbol HYLN. The reason that this video is timely at this point in time is because the next earnings report is on the 11th of February, which is just next week, Thursday. This is where we expect to know how many of their hybrid solutions that have been shipped and how many of their ERX hypertrucks that have been ordered. If those numbers turn out to be what we expect them to be, we will probably see a 20 to 25% jump on the day of the report, and that will be the commencement of an inevitable climb to the upside. But let me sound a warning. We are likely to see between now and the 11th of February, we are likely to see price manipulations. This could be by big money traders, it could be analysts, market makers, even short sellers. Why do I think this is going to happen? Let's go over and look at the charts. If you look at these daily candles, you will see that we have flatlined and gone sideways for a very long time, since November 2020 actually. 3 months of going sideways. In those 3 months, very many people would have placed buy orders, or they would have bought the stock and then placed sell stop orders, which is protective sell orders, 15 to 20% below their entry points. Those sell stop orders represent a very attractive proposition to big money traders. Those big money traders will be incentivized to want to drop the share price so they can buy those shares at a 15 to 20% discount. The point of me making this video is don't be dismayed, don't be afraid, don't be frightened if you see that happen. It will simply be an opportunity for you to get your average down even better. When all of that is done, the stock is then free to begin that inevitable climb to the upside. So finally, let's take a look at the portfolio. I now only have 2 stocks in the portfolio, Jivo, which I talked about in the beginning. I'm still holding all 1,750 shares. I don't plan to sell that anytime soon. Jivo still has plenty of room to run. It's still currently just a $2.5 billion company. I think it still has plenty of room to run before the company matures. I now have a total of 620 shares of Hyliion in this YouTube account. Average price is $18.60. What I plan to do is, I still have some buying power, and what I plan to do is average down if we see that price manipulation to the downside at any point before the earnings report next week. So in this account, I have a total exposure of about $30,000 in the market. I used to have a third company, which is Wimi Hologram Cloud, but I sold all of those to buy more Hyliion. I still have a few hundred Wimis in another of my accounts. My plan is to take this to $100,000 of equity at some point in 2021, and then we can set the next target. So if you want to watch as we grow this account exponentially, or if you want to get ideas for yourself to grow your own account exponentially, be sure to subscribe and turn on notifications. That is the end of today's video. Thanks for watching. Leave me any comments below and I'll see you at the next one. Peace.